Number 10, it asks us to find the total area of this composite figure. So let's just break this composite figure into its pieces. So we have this piece, then we're going to add it to this piece. Okay, let's see if we know. Right, so we know that this was 10. If this is 12, this is, the whole thing is 20 up here. This whole thing is 20. So 20 minus 12, this is 8, right? And then I know the whole thing here, which is 15, and that's a 12, okay? I don't care about that 10 here. All right, so then let's add these two together because I need to find the area. That's going to get me my total area. So here, this is 1/2 base times height. So 1/2, 8 times 10. So the area of that triangle is 1/2 base, which is 8, times height, which is 10, which is 40. The area of this rectangle, which is just length times width, is just 15 times 12, which is 180. So this totals 40 plus 180 gets you 220. Okay, that is the total area here. You have to find it individual pieces, then just add them together. Here, this is very interesting. This is actually a one big rectangle minus a circle, complete circle, okay? So the rectangle is a 22 by 14. What's the area of that? 22 times 14, that is 308. And then you want to find this, the radius. We know the diameter is 14, so the radius is 7. So the area, it is pi r squared. So that is pi 7 squared. So this is 49 pi. So the answer here is 308 minus 49 pi. Or if you actually plug that into the calculator, it is roughly 154.1. Okay, there you go. That is how you find the area of these composite figures.